y'all. So someone asked me to do a whitening, lightening, glowing oil, and that is what I'm going to be showing you how to mix today. I have a number of oils that I'm going to be showing you, and if you want to learn how to mix your own whitening oil, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Selek Halio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now on today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way that you can mix your lightening, whitening, glowing oil. I have my ingredients here. I have my measuring cup, my measuring spoon, my scale, and I also have my book where I have written out my recipe and everything that I need to make this product. Now this will help lighten your skin, it will help glow your skin, it will help whiten your skin if you're already a fair person, and all the ingredients that are used here are available for you to purchase. Now moving on, I got a comment from someone saying that my videos are boring and that it's not interactive, and I'm trying to teach you how to do stuff. You don't expect me to start talking up, giving you stories, and then coming back to talk about the ingredients and all of that. I don't know. My videos are educational videos, they're not entertainment videos. So if you want entertainment videos, maybe you should go on YouTube and search for entertainment videos. But if you want to learn about skincare and how to formulate a recipe and how to make your own skincare products and all of that, this is where you should be, and you should be here to learn and not to play. Okay. All right, so here I have my ingredients. I have already cleaned my surface. You want to make sure that you are cleaning your surfaces. I don't know, is that correct? Your surfaces. You want to make sure your bowls and everything is well cleaned. Now here I have my rose hip oil, and I'm going to be using rose hip oil at 51%, and this is a 500 ml batch that I'm making, so I'm using that at 51%, and 51% would be 255 grams. And then I'm going to be pouring that into my container right here and measuring it out, making sure that my oil is accurate. Because I'm using this as my base, it is the highest has the highest percentage, because this is my base for other ingredients that I'm going to be adding. Now as we go on, you would see that I removed the product from this container into a bottle, because this container was too small for the measurement. So yeah, so all the ingredients are going to be listed within this video. So if you want to get the complete percentage and gram measurement, you want to watch this video till the very end, because it's going to be embedded in the video somewhere along the line. So you definitely want to watch this video till the end. So our next ingredient is our sweet almond oil. These oils are glowing oils. They are not heavy on the skin. They penetrate into your skin easily, so they don't clog your pores. So you can actually use this oil on your face. It doesn't clog your pores because the oils penetrate deep into your skin. It doesn't leave a sticky, oily layer on the surface. It dries into the skin and leaves that very nice rejuvenated skin. Now this is my Malaysian oil, and I'm going to be adding Malaysian oil at 5%. Now my sweet almond oil, I did that at 10%. I'm sorry I didn't mention it, but my Malaysian oil, I'm doing 5%. Malaysian oil is a whitening oil, and this is my glow oil. and my glow oil I'm also using at 5%. This glowing oil can also lighten and whiten your skin, as well as give you that glow from within. So I'm adding that at 5%. Now, because this is a 500 batch, how you would get your gram size is you multiply 5% by the overall total batch of the product. So if I'm doing 5% for glow oil, I would do 500 multiplied by 5%. That's how I get my grams. So for the Asian oil, this is my Asian oil, I'm using 7%. My Asian oil is a super whitening oil that you can incorporate into your creams, your soaps, your oils, but I would not really advise that you use it directly on your skin. So here, this is my favorite papaya oil. I love papaya oil so much. It is so beautiful on the skin. It can be used by everybody, oily, dry, everybody can use this papaya oil. And for papaya oil, I'm using 10%. Papaya oil is also good for baby skin. So if you have kids and you want them to have a glowing skin, use papaya oil on their skin. And yes, I'm using Beauty Series oil. I'm also using Beauty Series oil at 10%. Now, this oil is a bit heavier than the other oils, so definitely you want to shake your oils whenever you want to use it, because this will cause a separation, but it's fine. It's also an aesthetic. It gives the oil some kind of aesthetic look. So whenever you want to use your oil, you have to shake it properly so everything can combine. So here I have put my oil into this container right here, this ash container right here, because the container, the cup was filled up, and I was wondering, like, this cup is a 500 ml cup, so why is it filled up? But you will see at the end when I measure it that it amounts to 500 grams complete. So this is my vitamin A oil, and for that I'm using 2% of vitamin A oil. Now, vitamin A oil helps to speed up healing, prevent breakout, and it also supports the skin's immune system. So I'm going to pour that into our other oils that I've already added in this container, making sure that everything gets in properly. Now, if you have any questions on getting these oils or getting my ebook, please use the link in the description bar to get to me via WhatsApp. If you want to buy my ebook, get to me with the link in the description bar to get my ebook. My ebook is still on sale, and I have more oil recipes, I have more cream recipes, soap recipes. I have everything that you need to learn to become a skincare formulator, all in that ebook. So if you want to get it, send me a WhatsApp message using the link in my description bar. So you can see that I have gone ahead to shake the oil very well so that everything is well incorporated, and now I'm just pouring it back into the container. This is a 500 ml container, and you will see that the measurement, everything amounts to 500 ml at once. So apparently that cup is a lie. So if you have those cups, please be careful when you're using them to measure your ingredients. So here, this is our beautiful oil, very beautiful oil. Yes, I know my table is a mess. I'm gonna clean that up, that's fine. So this is our oil. See how beautiful it turned out, but you have to always shake it before you use it. Now, if you want to put this into smaller containers, you have to as well shake it very well. Shake it very well before you put it into smaller containers, so that you get every bit of every ingredient that was added here. This oil will give you a beautiful glow and a brighter complexion. If you're already a fair person, this oil will make you have that white tone. So if you make this oil and it works for you, please leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you want to get these oils, I have them available for sale at smaller quantities and large quantities. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.